Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta AI Creator tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about some of the real estate tools we have available, such as our listing helper. So if you're looking to make a real estate listing, this can help you out. So you're going to go to the AI panel, down to templates. Then you can either click on real estate up here, or we can scroll down till we see listing description. Once you click on listing description, you can put in your market type. So for this example, we're going to say South Philadelphia. Property highlights, we're going to say new cabinets, granite counters, three bedrooms, 1.5 baths, prime location near park. And then we're going to say that this is a single family home. We can come up with our tone of voice, our level of creativity, right? You can change those, but for real estate, we're going to leave it professional and generate. Then over here, we will see our real estate listing. Feel free to be as descriptive over here as you like. It's going to get you a better outcome. This is just an example, but you can add whatever you need over there. Over this charming single-family home located in the heart of South Philadelphia, this property boasts a range of impressive features, including new cabinets and granite countertops that add a touch of elegance with 3 spacious bedrooms and 1.5 baths. There's plenty of room for the whole family to enjoy. One of the standout features of this home is its prime location near a beautiful park, right? So this is pretty cool. If you want to, you can edit this. So for example, you can come in here, you can hit, you can use the AI assistants, you can use the rewriting tools. So like, for example, maybe I want to expand this content to include more amenities and stuff, right? It'll rerun this and make this one longer, right? So now it's too long. Now we can shrink it, right? We can check the grammar. We can do all kinds of things with those tools. Once I'm satisfied with this, right, I can come here. I can hit download. That'll save it to my computer, or copy the HTML, or I can hit save document, and it will come up here under my documents under account. So guys, this is how you can use JustMeta to create a real estate listing in just seconds. So if you're looking to make professional listings to share on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on right, this is a great tool for you. Thank you, and we'll join you in the next AI Creator tutorial.